So let's continue with the interview session. So Naim, what is your feeling when using the prototype? Do you feel comfortable or not?
Sometimes I feel comfortable with the app, but there is some problem with the app.
Okay. Can you list down the problem that you face when going through the app?
Uh, First, when I choose the food, I cannot add for another food. Second, um, there are some button confirm and pay are not show. And it show after I fill the information. But if we see at others app, it will show the button first, but it we cannot be touched. Tap.
I see. I see. Third question, Naim. Do you feel any features lacking inside our prototype?
Hmm, I think like previous my answer for the food there is lack for to add another food, and the quantity of the food should be can be either to type or select, so it will show 1 2 3
Oh,
4 5.
I see. I see. Okay, last question, Naim. Do you want to use this system in your life?
I think it's good to have e-wallet, then and in e-wallet have many features that can be used, so we can use only one app for anything can do.
Do you think we improve the e-wallet app?
Mm, yep. Mm, okay. I think
It's
it
a
have
slight.
many improvement. So I can buy food in the e-wallet. So it will have many choice to use. So if I can, so it not will not monopoly the apa persaingan.
The you mean the competitors?
Yes, there is no any monopoly for competitors in the food delivery.
Okay, thank you, Naim, for answering our question. Okay, now let's go to the interview session. So, Sir Harith, what is your overall experience when using our prototype? Do you feel comfortable or not?
Okay, sometimes I feel not comfortable and sometimes I feel comfortable. Okay, I think that's all.
Okay, next question. Can you list down all the problem that you face when going through all the tasks?
Okay, for task 1 and task 2, I think I don't have any problem when I use it. But for task 3, I'm if I want to, is there any features that if I want to add my order or not? I think that's the problem for that task.
Okay, third question. Do you feel any feature lacking when doing the task?
Okay, for feature lacking, I think there is something. So, but it's only for task number 3, I think.
Okay, our last question. Do you want to use our system in your daily life and why?
I think I want to use this system in my daily life. This is because this system is easy to use for user, and it's also provides some error prevention for user.
Okay.
Okay, I think that's all.
Okay, thank you for answering our Q&A session. That's all.
Thank you. Okay, Assalamualaikum, Cik Faisal.
Yeah, yes.
So we continue for interview session.
Okay.
So for the first question, what is your feeling when using our prototype? Do you feel comfortable or not?
It's very comfortable. I think I can use it with ease.
Okay. So for the second one, can you list down all the problem that you face when going through the all the tasks?
For task 1 and task 2 there was no problem faced, but for task 3 I think I would like to include a feature where by I can search the restaurant instead of just pinning where the location of the restaurant. That's all for my
Okay.
problem.
For the next question, do you feel any features are lacking when doing the task?
Yes, I feel like the system is missing, like the quantity of food that you want to enter is just available to one. So if I wanted to key into, I have to make another order to get the same thing.
Okay. So do you want to use the system in your life and why?
Yes, because I think e-wallet is a must for now our generation now, because it's the year where we go everywhere without bringing a huge amount of cash, and I think it's very needed in our daily life.
Okay. Okay. So thank you for all the answer.
You're welcome.
So let's end this interview session. Thank you. Okay, let's continue for interview session.
Mm-hmm.
So for first question, what is your feeling when using the prototype? Do you feel comfortable or not?
So far I use the prototype and I feel comfortable, and this prototype is really user friendly, and I know the icon, so I can predict when I click the icon where it go.
Okay. Okay, for the next question, can you list down all the problem that you face when going through all the tasks?
So far I got a problem when I want to order food. I want to choose the restaurant, but in the UI I cannot go back to the main page when I click the restaurant location.
Okay. So do you feel any features lacking when doing the task?
So far, I think you need to add back to main page button when choosing a restaurant location, and you need to have a good icon in the main page.
Okay. So the last question is, do you want to use this system in your life and why?
So far I want to use this system because it will easily to me to order a food, to buy cashless. So because nowadays is COVID-19, so I have facing I not trust the bill notes whether is good or not.
Okay. Okay, I think that's all from me and thank you for participating in the user testing for our prototype.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, so now let's continue with the interview section. So, what is your feeling when using the prototype? Do you feel comfortable or not?
I feel really comfortable when using the prototype that has been made by Faisal.
Okay, thanks. Now, second question. Can you list down all the problem that you face when going through all the tasks?
After going through all the tasks, I found no problem in task 1 and task 2, but in task 3, I had some problem when picking the restaurant in the map choosing.
Okay, the third question is, do you feel any features lacking when you're doing the task?
As for problem that I have stated before, I think some feature might need to be added at the restaurant selection, such as search bar or scrolling option.
Okay, I see. Last question. Do you want to use this system in your life and why?
Of course, I want to use this system in my life because it will save my time, and also during this pandemic, it has been a safer option besides than paying physical money.
Okay, thank you, Sir Nick, for coming to our interview session. And that's all for today.